been using Nikon cameras for over 30 years, and when they introduced the DF, I felt like it was a really excellent design, even though there's a lot of reviewers online that talk poorly about this particular camera. It has excellent image quality. This camera is comparable to the D4 in image quality. It's extremely lightweight. This camera is great for carrying around all day long. I love the way it feels. I have no problems with the way the aperture is set up in the front, dialing this ring. I have my finger on the shutter button, and I can very easily spin this ring with my middle finger. I have no problems with the way the shutter speeds are set up on the top. Can always just change those if I need to do that rapidly. I can use the dial on the back, the body. Still has a function button down here that I custom set. Preview button up here that I also custom set. You have an AF on button, AFL button on the back. I also custom set those. And over here is your exposure compensation dial, which is very easy to operate while you're shooting. You just push the button and spin the knob. It's not very complicated at all. It's a very excellent camera, teamed up with the 70-200 2.8 AFS lens. Excellent combination for all around shooting. I love it. It's not extremely heavy. There's two camps out there, people that are saying they need to go lighter. They can't handle the weight of the DSLRs and stuff. That's fine. Going smaller and lighter is not a bad idea. There are other people that will go heavier and bigger. People that will still maintain use of their DSLR systems. I personally like the full frame and crop Nikon cameras. This video is being filmed with a D70-200 with the kit lens, the 18-140 APS crop sensor, 24 megapixels, no low pass filter. Very nice lightweight camera system as well. I'll carry that camera around all day long and take pictures with it. Have no problems with doing that. Back when we were shooting film was film. Digital cameras, every digital camera has a different feel and look to it. We got the picture color profiles and stuff that help equalize things out, but you're still going to have a difference with crop sensors, the full frame sensors, and 1-inch sensors as well. I feel that the Nikon system is fully weather sealed. This whole setup here is fully weather sealed, very durable and rugged. We're out here today. It's -7 degrees, and everything is functioning fine. I've had my cameras out in rain, snow, all kinds of adverse conditions, and they perform flawlessly. The D70-200 with the kit lens, the 18-140 that we're using for filming, that's a fully weather sealed system. I've had that camera out in numerous rain showers and snow, and it's functioning just fine. I love their flash system. I'm running 910s right now. I've had SB28s, 600s, 700s, 800s. With digital cameras, we started out with 1.2 megapixels to 2 to 4 to 6, 10, 12, 24, 36, 50. So video is in the same growth as stills were 10 years ago. So we're full HD, people are moving to 4K. 4K is going to be the norm. Then you're going to have 6K, 8K, 16, 32. It's going to need more processing power with computers, more storage space. You got to have video displays to capture all this stuff. Video grab frames are great. You get that much resolution in a video, you could just run mini little clips with your video, and you can pull shots for stills. That's all great technology, but it's still in a growth. I personally feel like you need to buy what works good for your style of shooting. Been shooting Nikon film cameras and digital cameras for a long time. I have shot other camera systems over the years. People felt like I was biased towards Nikon. I contributed to images to Nikon DigiGuide, so I went out and purchased other equipment from other brands and used that equipment. I can produce equally nice results with any camera that I put my hands on. It's not the camera that's doing it, it's the operator. and you still need an operator to run this stuff to get maximum results out of them. That whole bias thing and camera review stuff where the newest camera that comes out on the market is the best camera, that's the camera you should buy, is all just marketing stuff. You know, everybody was saying the same exact stuff. Didn't matter which review you went to, didn't matter which YouTube video you watched, they all were saying the exact same stuff, following camera review guidelines. And see these videos, it's all about marketing. They're marketing new equipment, they're pushing the tech drive, people are buying stuff that they see in these videos, when you really should go out and you should rent stuff, try it out for yourself, see if it matches your style of shooting. This DF is kind of like shooting with my F3s and FMs, and allows you to take control of the camera. Even with the newer Nikon designs that are designed after the F6 body, you can still take control of the camera. The way the controls are set up, the way the buttons are laid out, if you take one of my workshops on how to get the best out of your Nikon system, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. With the way the flash system works, it's spot on every time. Balanced fill flash is a wonderful thing, is the way to go.